guys, we just arrived Sydney and we'll just go find our luggage now, and then I'm not sure what I'm going to do until my check-in time at the hotel, but yeah, Sydney now and looking forward to a really good time. We're at baggage claim now and I'm just waiting for my bag, and like I said, I will head into the city. So yeah, looking forward to a good time in Sydney again, twice the charm, I guess. Hi guys, Faith here. I know I've been trying to talk to you guys all through the vlog, but I'm finally in Sydney and I'm in the hotel now. I literally just walked in. This is not the holiday I planned for, but I am making do with what's available to me. So long story, visa didn't come in early enough. So I'm in Sydney. Let's just call this a solo trip. I actually need it. Like, I need time out of work, time out of all the stress, and just time to rejuvenate. So I am in Sydney and I am actually loving the room. This hotel is really nice. I looked it up online and I made the booking on booking.com as well, so I was pretty sure of what I was getting. Looks really nice already. I'm obviously going to do a room tour. I am looking forward to a good time in Sydney. I love the view as well, which I will be showing you guys in a separate video. Yeah, thank you for coming to Sydney with me on the flight. It was a good flight. I'm not sure what I'm doing yet. I was thinking about doing Little Lagos this evening for dinner because I know they don't open on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So if I want to have any form of Nigerian food, today is the only day I have to go to Little Lagos. So I will think about that. First, I'm going to do a room tour and then probably just freshen up or have a little rest because we barely slept. I woke up at 4:30 so we could leave the house at 5 and to meet our flight for 7:15 this morning. So yeah, I'll bring you guys with me if I eventually head out. I don't know if I'm going to Little Lagos, honestly. I'm going to check online for what restaurants are around me, but the aquarium is really close to this hotel and some other fun places are really close to the hotel as well. I also wanted the sea view, so I'll be waking up every morning to the harbour, which I really like. But yeah, okay, Faith, I'm talking so much. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me if there's any other thing I get up to. But yeah, thank you so much for watching up until now. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to leave a comment for me as well. I feel so bad. On the other hand, I don't feel bad because I am not in Brisbane. I'm in Sydney to have a good time by myself as well. So let's just call this a mini vacation for Faith. I deserve it. I work so hard. I deserve it. All right, see you guys. Hey guys, Faith here. So this is definitely going to be my favorite spot in this room. I love me a room that has a full length mirror, but like I promised, I'm going to be doing a room tour now. I'm going to be showing you guys where I am staying and you know the features you can find when you're in this room. So yeah, let me walk you through this beautiful room, I guess, for my holiday. I probably haven't mentioned, but this hotel is called Hyatt Regency. I like it already and I totally recommend 100% if you're in Sydney and looking for rooms with a balcony and of course the sea view as well. The reception was really nice. It was welcoming. There was someone outside to even try to carry my bags. I totally recommend. It's called Hyatt Regency. I'm going to put details in the description box and on the screen as well, so you can consider this if you're in Sydney and looking for where to stay. Okay, this is the door right here and I'm just going to turn around for you to see what it is like when you walk in. So when you walk in, the first thing you see on this side is the bathroom. Another beautiful mirror which I totally love. So this is the other side, and the sink is right here. There's a towel, tissue, some, what's this, a body lotion, some cups, some hand towels, dental kit, and the toilet is right under here. It's a bit weird, but yeah, that is what it is. It's small, it's portable, but I like it. It has all the basic things. There's another mirror here on the side as well, and then there's a bin, and of course the switch. Let's go to the other side of the room. You walk in further, this is the full length mirror which I talked about earlier, and once you come out of the bathroom on this side, I believe this is the closet. Oh, okay. So this is what the closet looks like. There's some hangers, some towels there. I believe it's empty now all the way to the bottom. And on the other side, there's an iron up there, a hand dryer. I believe there's a saving box in here. I can also see an ironing board. And that's all. It's pretty empty. I haven't put in my box yet or arranged anything. Also a mirror on this side which I really love. I'm probably be where I do my makeup and, you know, just arrange my personal items. And then this is the room in full, which I absolutely love. So when I was trying to get this room online, the blue wall kind of puts me off because I'd have preferred a white wall. But then I thought about it. It was so hard to find a room that had a balcony and also had the view of the harbor, or maybe like the sea view, which I really wanted. So you know what, I'm like, babe, Phaytea, you better make up your mind, because it was so impromptu. I wasn't sure where I was going to stay. This was the only one I saw that had like a balcony and also had the sea view, and I really wanted to wake up to the water every morning, so I decided to, you know, go for it. It also has white on this side, and I just thought, you know what, this is not bad at all. I can definitely compromise. So the room has 2 bedside tables, which looks really nice. It's not a drawer type of thing, but it looks really nice as well. It's got this lamps, which I'm not sure how to work at the moment. I love the headboard. It has this rattan look, which is really beautiful, nice. And of course the white beddings and this mirror, which is really nice as well. It gives a nice touch to the room. Let me see if I can see myself in it. Okay, nice. So I can definitely see myself, well, not very well, but I like how that looks on the wall. And on this side, of course, the other bedside table and this chair couch looking thing, which I really like how this looks. It's great for relaxing if you don't want to be on the bed. And then on this side, there is the table, which is probably for study and to eat as well. Guys, I'm talking about study a lot because I have assignments to send in on the 20th, so I'm hoping that I can do some work aside, enjoy myself during this trip. So yeah, this is going on here with 2 chairs. There's a lamp stand on this side, which looks really simple and minimalist, and then there's this wall of the harbor bridge with a girl or a lady swinging. nice. Now this was the absolute reason why I decided to get this room, guys. It's the view and of course the balcony. I'm just going to open and then we'll go outside and have a quick look. So open. Okay, looking really nice. That looks like the Manly ferry. I remember that ferry from the last time I was in Sydney. Yeah, the yellow and the green one goes to Manly, but it might get noisy. The room is a bit soundproof, which is great, but I'm going to open it now and it will get noisy. So okay, not so noisy, but yeah, this is what it looks like outside. I think that this is a great view if you ask me. Just below the building is the aquarium, which I think will be a nice place to visit. And yeah, that's the harbour and that's the National Maritime Museum straight ahead. I'm gonna zoom and see if you can actually read the sign. Yeah, it's probably a bit dark, but it says National Maritime Museum. And that bridge is going to be a great spot to do my morning walks or evening walks if I ever get to it. I mean, I'm not promising that I'm going to be walking out during my holiday, but yeah, that is also there if I decide to go on an evening walk. There's so many interesting things around. I can see a couple of hotels which I actually checked. So that's Novotel, that's Sofitel. Guys, the sun, like, how are people enjoying this? It's so sunny and I can feel the heat. I'll probably wait till it's 5 or 6 when the sun has gone down before I head out to the harbour. But I like that I can see the harbour from here. I think straight ahead is the harbour bridge. It's not very clear, but I don't mind. The last time I was in Sydney, I could see the harbour bridge from my apartment and I could, you know, it was so easy to walk there. Going to check online to see what to expect in the aquarium. If it's something interesting, I will book and maybe do that tomorrow because it's very close to me. I also want to check for a tour of the, okay, you know what guys, let's go inside and then I can talk to you. It is so sunny. It's also got 2 chairs outside, which is really nice. I just love this view, guys. It is beautiful. It is so beautiful. Look, I'm very impressed. It took me so long to find accommodation for this trip for myself, and I think that I did a good job eventually. It's basically what the room looks like, and that's what I will be working with. It is very small, minimalist design, and I absolutely love it. The view is amazing for me. The balcony also is an added advantage for me as well. I love that there's somewhere I can walk out to and, you know, just enjoy the sun if I want some morning sun before I head out. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and this is a great place if you're looking forward to stay in Sydney. I'm going to check if there's a tour desk downstairs so I can make use of that to decide on what I want to do for the coming days. Let's see what Sydney holds for me the second time. This time I'm here by myself. You know what guys, I haven't even finished editing videos from my previous Sydney vlog, so it's about to be a compilation of lots of Sydney videos and ideas for things you can do when you're in Sydney. Thank you so much for watching guys. I absolutely love making these videos when I get the time. It is becoming so difficult, but yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Get out the way, who got a watch, who got the time, I'm